We probably stock more parts for Lexas bandsaws than any other supplier in the United States. The bandsaw is made in Taiwan. It's a high quality machine. A lot of the machines are computerized, and it takes some special know-how how to get that part to work. We offer that to our customers when they buy the parts online at no additional charge. Since the parts are stocked here in Houston, Texas, we can really facilitate shipping time on the Lexas bandsaw. Like a lot of other machines made, Lexas is a high production machine, and it's used in steel service centers and fabrication shops. So a lot of times people that own the Lexas bandsaw, they really don't have time to wait. They need their part or they need their blades. We try to provide that by shipping everything out within 24 hours. You go online, you click the product description, and there'll be a how-to video on how to install that kit on your saw. Nothing could be easier.